song so far? If so, this opportunity maybe for you, maybe for you, maybe for you, you. Arizona B is for Vegas.
Happy 68th birthday, Daddy Lo. Wishing you a good health, endless happiness, and many more blessed year ahead. Thank you for your loving husband, father, and grandfather. We are so grateful for your love, sacrifices. Even there are times you are drunk. We love you. With love, with Mamila, children, and grandchildren.
Hi pa! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! I love you!
Hi, Papa! Titi! 60th birthday na ni Musa. I love you so much, Papa. I hope nga malipayon ka sa imong saysinta, adlaw. I love you so much. Pag-amping ka nunay, okay? Ayaw na pag-inom-inom, ha? Pidot, ha? I love you.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Daddy Lo. I love you. I miss
Happy birthday,
you.
Papa. Hope you have a great day. Drink some,
Beer.
what is it, Red Horse for me, please. But celebrate, and I hope you have many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Papa. I love you. I hope you're happy sa imong birthday. And I hope you have many birthdays to come. And also good health.
We love you, Papa.
Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you, Lolo.
Love you.
Love you, Pa.
Happy 60th birthday, Daddy Lo. We wish you for a good health and dili na kasigig inom. I love you.
Malipayang adlang natalhan pa. Happy birthday, Dad. I hope that you have the best day ever. From your daughter, Daphne. I miss you and I love you so, so much. And I can't wait to see you again, Dad. Happy birthday. Love Tika.
Dali manoy, kay mag-birthday ta, magdakop mig manok, kay birthday ni mo. Kay dugay na kayo, ano ta magkita in taon. Ngarin niya mo, kay ari ta di mag-ihaw sa manok. Birthday ni mo kay Sinta, narba in taon ka, dudong, manoy, dudong.
Oh, happy birthday kamagwangan. Diri pag birthday kay di akong manok. Sunoy. Diri pa kay malingaw sa diri. Kay mga ko ni mo pressure. Mga ko pressure kay patinita diri. Way bugnaw. Happy birthday, anak. Happy birthday, anak kamagwangan, panganay.
Happy birthday, Manoy.
Happy birthday!
Manoy Pidi. We love you so much, Manoy. We missed you and we pray for your good health. Labi na gyud kung magbiyahe ka, mag-drive ka, kamo. We always think of you and the whole family. We love you so much.
Many more birthdays to come.
And many more birthdays to come.
60 years old.
Yep, you're healthy 60 years old. You're gonna live 100 years old.
Yay!
We love you and we miss you so much. And we will see you soon, either there or here in America. Aloha! We love you so much.
Manoy. Kumusta og happy birthday nimo diha? Ingon man nga mapasalamatan atong Ginoo nga mas dagan pang birthday moabot sa atong kinabuhi. Og iyan po nato nga ingon man tibok atong pamilya, tagan-tag manglawas og tasad nga kinabuhi. Ingon man atong mga anak ato sa gawas nanin padin taon na nga buhi nga makatabang natong mga ginikanan. Og salamat kayo nga mas daghan pang katuigan nga moabot sa atong birthday Manoy og happy birthday nimo diha sa tibok inyong pamilya. Daghang salamat.
Ay Manoy, happy birthday Manoy. Ampon ako sa Ginoo nga hatagan pa kag daghang birthday, hatagag maiglawas, hatagag taas pa nga kinabuhi, hatagan pag daghang birthday. Happy birthday 60 Manoy. I love you.
Happy birthday nung today. Wish you all the best and enjoy your 60th birthday. Hinay-hinay na ta sa pag-inom kay ang lawas maningil ra bagyud. Halak ka diha. Last tagay na ni karong gabi. Unya. Happy birthday diha gaw.
Hi Manoy PD. Happy 60th birthday. Tiguwang na jud ka Manoy. Senior na jud ay ka. Wish Manoy nga tagaan kag mayong lawas. Ug taas pa nga katubigan maabot sa imong kinabuhi. Thank you Manoy. I love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Papa PD! Wishing you good health, happiness, and many more blessed years ahead. May God always guide and protect you. Enjoy your special day. Once again, happy birthday!
Ay, happy birthday! Birthday na ngayon, birthday mo na. Sana malakas at magikumanda. Kaya talaga, nagbida na tayo. Happy birthday. God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lolo PD. God bless you. I love you.
Birthday Noy PD! Salamat tayo sa pag-invite namo for witnessing your 60th birthday celebration. Then, salamat sa ikaduhang pamilya namo sa Abu Dhabi. Wa jud mo kakalimot namo. Og happy birthday again. Enjoy your day. Salamat kayo. See you.
Happy birthday na Teddy.
Happy 60th birthday, Daddy Lo. God bless you. I love you. Yay! Happy 60th birthday, Daddy Lo. God bless you. I love you. Yay! Birthday, Lolo. Wish you all the happiness and life and the best of everything. Happy birthday again and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Busing. More birthday to come. Happy 60th birthday to you. Thank you.
Happy birthday dong PD. Akong wish para nimo nga tagaan ka sa pakasaginog, taas na kinabuhi, maayong panglawas. Deserve it dahil mabuti kang tao. Sana masaya ka sa espesyal na araw na ito. Ingat ka palagi, huwag mong pabayaan ang sarili mo. Tuloy mo lang mga pangarap mo sa buhay, sa pamilya mo. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Manoy PD. August 1 is your birthday. Happy birthday Manoy. Stay humble, stay healthy, also stay guwapo permanente yun. Once again, happy birthday Manoy PD.
Happy birthday kuya. Happy senior citizen. 60 na ka. Senior na ka. Ayaw nagpalabig inom. Ayaw nagpabadlong. Salamat sad kuya sa imong kaayo namo. Isa ka sa silingan namo na maayo. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. Ang wish ko lang nimo, ayaw nagpalabig inom lagi. Kay si ate magkonsumisyon basta mag-inom ka, kay sige kag tabi. Tapian kay ka basta makainom ka. Maura to ako ha. Wish ko lang nimo magkaroon pa ka ng daghan birthday. Aron 70 years old nimo, siguro na may 5 kg na bugas. Maura to kuya. Happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday Kuya PD. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Kuya PD! Yeah, happy birthday yan! Keep safe always. Yes. Happy birthday, PD. Keep Happy birthday, Kuya PD!
Hi, Kuya PD. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Natunta nga gaan pa kagataas nga kinabuhi.
Okay.
Happy birthday, more blessings to come and good health.
Hinapag ang tatagaan ka. Taas pang kinabuhi. Hangtod na.